Welcome to another 1-Minute Math video. In today's video, 3 ways to perform polynomial division. Given x to the 4th plus 0x cubed minus 10x squared minus 2x plus 4 all divided by x plus 3. We'll start with the traditional long division. We'll start with the denominator, x plus 3. We're going to divide it into x to the 4th plus 0x cubed minus 10x squared minus 2x plus 4. X to the 4th divided by x give you x cubed. So when x cubed times x plus 3, we get x to the 4th plus 3x cubed. Put a parentheses around this and subtract it off. Simplify and we get negative 3x cubed. Bring down the negative 10x squared and we'll repeat the process. Negative 3x cubed divided by x give you negative 3x squared. So when negative 3x squared times x plus 3, we get negative 3x cubed minus 9x squared. Put a parentheses around this, subtract it off. Simplify and we get negative x squared. Bring down the negative 2x, repeat the process. Negative x squared divided by x give you negative x. So negative x times x plus 3 give you negative x squared minus 3x. Put a parentheses around this, subtract it off. Simplify. We get x. Bring down the 4, we get x plus 4. X divided by x is just 1. So when 1 times x plus 3 give you x plus 3, put parentheses around this, subtract it off, and simplify, we get 1. Since x does not go into 1, then this last part is our remainder. So our solution, we're going to add this to the remainder, 1 divided by x plus 3. So for this long division, we get x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 1 over x plus 3. The second way to perform polynomial division is the area model. Here's the task again. Since we're dividing by x plus 3, we're going to have a rectangle with these 2 rows with a side of x and positive 3. Inside the rectangle, we're going to have the numerator. So we'll start with the x to the power 4. So we'll write it right here, x to the power 4. Factor out the x and you get x cubed. X cubed times 3 give you 3x cubed. Since we fill up both rows, let's section it off. Now, we need a 0x cubed. We already have a 3x cubed, so we need a negative 3x cubed to make 0x cubed. So factor the x away from negative 3x cubed, you're left with negative 3x squared. Negative 3x squared times 3 gives you negative 9x squared. Section that off, and then we need a negative 10x squared. Since we already have a negative 9x squared, we need another negative x squared. So factor x away from this, you're left with negative x. Negative x times 3 give you negative 3x. Now section that off, we need a negative 2x. We have a negative 3x already, so we need a positive x. So factor x away from that, you get positive 1. 1 times 3 gives you 3. Section it off. Lastly, we need a 4. We already have a 3, so we need a positive 1. Since x does not go into 1, this last column is our remainder. Alright, and so our solutions is going to be this portion here, x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 1 plus the remainder. And the remainder, we're going to look in this last column, which is 1. And so we can have this x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 1 over x plus 3. For the final way to perform polynomial division, we'll look at the task again. Since we're dividing by x plus 3, we'll notice that the denominator is linear, and so we can use something known as synthetic division. So we'll start with that denominator, x plus 3, set it equal to 0. Solve for x, we get x equals negative 3. Take a look at the numerator. We're going to write down all of their coefficients, which are 1, 0, negative 10, negative 2, and 4. Do make sure you include the 0 for the 0x cubed. We'll draw these 2 lines. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add vertically and multiply diagonally by negative 3. So what do I mean? Here it is. 1, add vertically, and you get 1. 1 multiplied diagonally by negative 3, you get negative 3. Add vertically, you get negative 3. Multiply diagonally by negative 3, you get positive 9. Add vertically, you get negative 1. Multiply diagonally by negative 3, you get positive 3. Add vertically, you get 1. Multiply diagonally by negative 3, you get negative 3. And finally, add vertically, you get 1. This last number, section it off. Now you notice you have these numbers, 1, negative 3, negative 1, 1, and this box of the remainder, 1. Well, that's our solution right there. We have 1x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 1 over x plus 3. So here are the 3 different ways to perform polynomial division, and you can also see there are connections between all 3 of them to one another. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.